In this video, we are going to go over how to add a new apprenticeship to an organization. When you log into Illinois workNet and click on the Customer Support Center, you're taken here to the group search page. Any group that you have access to will be listed here. Click Apprenticeship Illinois. Next, go to the Navigator tools. Click on the Organization Information tab. Filter for your navigator. And now you'll want to search for the organization that you want to add the apprentice to. I'm going to search for Kim's Auto Body. And then once you've found the organization name, click on it. This is going to load the organization information. And you're going to scroll down to the apprenticeships section. And here is where we can add a new apprenticeship. So click Add Apprenticeship. There are some features that I want to show you about this modal. First, you've got the info bubbles, and if you hover over them, they will provide more information about that field. You can also click the plus icon for the new or expanded definitions. So what this does is it has provided definitions for you to help assist you with completing this modal. To close the informational section, just re-click it. So the first thing it's going to ask for, and it's required because we can tell by the red asterisk next to it, is the sponsor Rapids ID. I'm going to put in my Rapids ID. And again, yours may be different. This is just the one that I'm using for demonstration purposes. Now it's going to ask for training provider Rapids ID if known. I do not know my training provider's Rapid ID. Next, it's going to ask for you to enter the employer Rapids ID if known. More than one ID can be entered here if this is a sector partnership or employer collaborative. And again, this field has the info bubble that you can hover over with more information. Next, it's going to ask for what type of apprenticeship we want to add. So it provides a drop-down list of options. And again, definitions are up at the top. If you're unsure, just click the plus icon to open it up. So you have the option of new program. You have new pre-apprenticeship program. And the Rapids IDs will not be required for these. You have expanded, add new industry, expanded, added new occupation, expanded, added new employer, and expanded, used funds to add apprentices. And then you have expanded pre-apprenticeship. And again, for the expanded pre-apprenticeship, the Rapids IDs will not be required. So I'm going to go ahead and click on expanded, added new occupation. The next one asks, are the apprentices in this program being uploaded as either case managed or OII? For this demonstration, I'm going to select case managed. Next, it asks if the program is on the eligible training provider list. To verify, you'll want to click the link to check the list. And you'll use the ETPL search. If it is not on the list, click the link to submit a request to add the program. So if you wanted to add the program, you'd have to click that link and go in and submit the new request. Um, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to say no and then click Save. I see the green message that this apprenticeship has been saved. I'm going to go ahead and refresh my screen. I'm going to scroll back down to the apprenticeships section, and here I can see my sponsor Rapids ID, the type of apprenticeship, the created date, any type of ETPL change, and then I can choose to remove it, or I can click the View button to view the apprenticeship. So again, in the apprenticeship section, when you click to add an apprenticeship, you can add the pre-apprenticeship programs or the apprenticeships programs.